Hello, my name is Teacher Charlene. I hold a Bachelor of Secondary Education and I am a TFL certified, which helped me create engaging and effective lessons for ASL learners. I've been teaching since 2023 and I've really enjoyed helping students grow in confidence with English. I teach English as a second language to learners of different ages and levels, focusing on speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. My teaching style is student centered, fun, and interactive. I believe learning English should be enjoyable. So, I use toys, flashcards, and different rewards and lots of encouragement to help students feel comfortable using the language. I believe learning a new language opens the doors to new opportunities and new connections. So, what are you waiting for? Book me now and let's learn together.